Hey there, let's tackle another equation. This one has parentheses and variables on both sides. We are solving 3 times the quantity 2x minus 5 equals 2x minus 3. Let's go step by step. First, remember the rule. When a number is outside parentheses, you multiply it by every term inside. So we distribute 3 to both 2x and negative 5. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. So our equation becomes 6x minus 15 equals 2x minus 3. Now let's get all the x's on one side. We subtract 2x from both sides. On the right, 2x minus 2x cancels out. On the left, 6 minus 2x is 4x. So now 4x minus 15 equals negative 3. Next, we want to get rid of the negative 15. We add 15 to both sides. On the left, negative 15 plus 15 cancels. On the right, negative 3 plus 15 is 12. So 4x equals 12. Finally, we divide both sides by 4. 4x divided by 4 is x. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So x equals 3. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and I will see you in the next one.